So what is branching all about? Well, branching allows us to diverge from the main line of work and work on something else in isolation. Conceptually, you can think of a branch like a separate, isolated workspace. So we have our main workspace, which is called master. We can have another workspace for working on a new feature in isolation. While we're developing this new feature, our code may get unstable. So we don't want to release the code in this workspace. We continue working here. When we're done, we test our code, and after we fix all the bugs, then we bring the changes in this workspace into the master. This is called merging. So branching allows us to work on different work items without messing up with the main line of work. We keep the main line as stable as possible so we can release it anytime. Also, anyone joining our team can start off on a stable code base. That's the idea of branching. Now, the way Git manages branches is very different from many other version control systems like Subversion. In Subversion, when we create a new branch, Subversion takes a copy of our entire working directory and stores it somewhere else. What if we have hundreds or thousands of files in our project? All these files have to be copied, and this operation can take a little while. That's why a lot of Subversion users hate branching because it's slow and can waste a lot of disk space. Git branches are super fast and cheap because a branch in Git is just a pointer to a commit. So the master branch is just a pointer to the last commit in the main line of work. As we make new commits, Git moves this pointer forward automatically. So it knows what is the latest code in the main line of work. That is the snapshot stored in this commit. When we create a new branch, Git creates a new pointer that can be moved around. This pointer is just a tiny file that contains a 40-byte commit ID. That's why creating a branch in Git is blazingly fast. Now, when we switch to this branch and make new commits, Git moves this pointer forward. The master pointer stays where it is, so Git knows the latest code in each branch. When we switch back to master, Git takes the snapshot from the commit that master points to and resets our working directory to that snapshot. So we always have a single working directory. Now, how does Git know which branch we're currently working on? Using a special pointer called head. This pointer is also another tiny file that contains the name of a branch, like master. When we switch to a different branch, Git moves the head pointer around. So it updates the tiny file and writes the name of the target branch. This is how it can track what branch we're currently working on. Throughout this section, you're going to learn everything you need to know to work with branches.